Catherine Bernardo update. And after nila mag-taping for PGT, and nagkaroon ng handaan, ay magkakasama ang team Pilipinas Got Talent, ay mga si Catherine. Ay magkaka-table dyan sila Kuya Robby, Donnie, Catherine. Ay may katabing foreigner si Catherine. Ayun pa yung mga kasama ni Catherine, si Eugene Domingo, Kuya Robby, si Freddy Garcia, saka si Melay. Yun, no? Ito pa yung behind the scene ni Catherine sa kanyang endorsement na Fresh Philippines. Yun, wow legs si Catherine. Ito pa yung post ni Pauwi. And behind the scene ni Catherine for Bench. Sabi dito, let her serve. Behind the scenes from last year's shoot for Bench with Catherine Bernardo that made the iconic EDSA Guadalupe IG Carousel Billboard. Yung grabe si Catherine. Yung payabangan si Catherine. Pag-rampa niya sa Bench Fashion Show sa March 21 na yan. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.